right for Lily, medyo nalungkot ako dun na nakuha nila Miguel and ni Pao. But I think mas perfect fit din with them based on, I guess based on the song also. But medyo nanghihinayan din ako kasi magaling yung bata talaga. Yung ears niya for that type of song, iba. Like daming transitions ng song. Nag-iba-iba yung keys niya per section. And for a kid that young, and execute niya ng very well yun. Grabe. Sabi ko, galing na to, gusto ko na to. Unfortunately, nanalo yung B1, B2. Banana 1, Banana 2. Sa kanila na. Hotdog.